Hey guys, this is Steve doing a video for Abbott for the Jordan Reed Rivet Strata. Here's the list I copied. I'm going to type live. It is 10:55. 2 dice, no snake eyes. 7 times. Here's the same list that was in the thread I copied. I'll scroll down through. I'm not going to read them all off. And that's the list. And we're going 7 times again. It is 10:56. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Mitch is on top and Mitch is on bottom. Dice roll was a 7. It is 10:57. And 7th and final time. Good luck. Scott Finnegan. Congratulations, Scott. 7 times. Scott on top. Dice roll was 7. It is 10:57. Scott, send your information to Abbott. Type done. And it is 10:57. Thanks, guys.